welcome back. You're watching Showing Awesome. Today I'm back again with how to edit your photos for your website. So recently we took some photos for my website. You observed the photo shoot which I was directing. So that photo shoot really went well. So what we are going to do is we are going to see how the photos are going to be edited and how the photos actually go from being taken to the editing to the website. So let's go. And first of all, I have to import the photos in to Lightroom, which is now done. All the photos are here, as you can see. So what I do is I go through each photo like I've taken, and then select the best photo I feel will be more appropriate. So first of all, let's start with the pink scarf. I think the pink scarf we took yesterday makes a perfect example of what I'm talking about. So once you've imported your photos, first of all, you have to understand your website before you actually even take the photos, so that when you import the photographs, you can make sure that they will fit perfectly. So before I do anything is, first of all, I think about the proportions of my website and how the photo will look later on. So I crop the photo according to those measurements. So what I do, I'm cropping the photograph here, so to a 1:1, because those are the measurements that are accepted on my website. It has to be 1:1 because later on I still have to narrow it down, and if I don't crop it well, if I reduce the megapixels to fit my website, the photo will actually blur or shrink or become weird. You've seen those websites where the photos are not really compatible with the website. So I don't want that. So what I do is I crop the photo first and then go ahead and edit the photo. What I do is I increase the presence of the photo in Lightroom. So I do this, put it to 30 because I want all the details to be seen, and then I go to the sharpening. I sharpen this image, make sure that it's sharp enough, open to 40. Maybe let's reduce a little noise, and there is a thread I see over here. Let me try to get rid of it. I don't know if that will work. Yeah, hopefully, yeah. So I'll close that. I'll take it to Photoshop. I'll open it in Photoshop and see what happens. Make it better in Photoshop. Maybe I can crop it more in Photoshop. So what happens is I'll take it here and I'll go to levels and I'll try to work with the levels. Yeah, put the levels to 10. I'll darken the image a little bit by 10. So it's dark enough, so I go okay. You go back to curves and then you lighten the image with color balance. So that's it. And then what happens, you go to select color and then you try to increase the neutrals. I'll increase mine to 15 and I'll increase the magentas to 5, and then I'll go with the blues to 3 because they're popping, and then I will see the whites maybe. Nah, don't do anything with the whites. So what I'll do is I'll go here to crop image, and I want it to pop, but I also don't want it to lose the quality. I'm going to leave this image like this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce its size. It has to be 700 pixels. those are the pixels that are compatible with my website. So once I have reduced the pixels, I save it. Let's call it pink scarf. What you can see here is first find the location you save your stuff. And what you can see here, it's still in TIFF, and my website is not accepting TIFF images, so I have to put it into JPEG and then click save. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open up my site dashboard, and I'm going to upload these images. And then once I've uploaded these images, I can show you how I will put them on my website. So this is my media, so add new, so select, so I'll go where I have so I've put them on a hard drive. I'll select these two, and then I will wait for them to go in here. What I'll do is I'll check the product categories, and then I'll go to set product image. So what I'll do is I'll set this as a product image, and then I'll go back to the gallery and I'll set the other photo I wanted to change, and I'll first remove the other photo. So I will set this one and go. So I will publish this scarf, and then I'll show you after it's published. So I'll go here, view product, and then here you have the scarf we just edited, and then here you have this as the product image. See how it is? You can make it light, you can make it dark as you want. So whatever you prefer, the darker you make it, the more colors it pops. If you want to just be neutral, you can also just neutralize it like this. So once the scarf is on your site, now look here, pink scarf here. There we have it. I hope you've learned how to edit photos for your website and how much work it takes to direct a shoot and get the photo from the shoot to the actual website. It's not easy, but people do it. It takes a lot of time. I hope you have the patience for it. And if you like what you see, like our video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all social media networks. See you soon, and